Are you new to skin or a beginner in skincare? This skincare regime will make everybody's skin absolutely sparkle. So first of all, we have to start with the right cleansers. And the right cleansers don't strip and they respect the skin's functions, including the biome. At night, you're gonna break down makeup, dirt, grime, and pollution with the olive and enzyme cleanser, right on dry skin, take it off with a warm, wet washcloth. In the morning, on wet skin, we're gonna apply the green tea and mint wash that clarifies the skin every morning, brightening and restoring balance. 2 to 3 times a week, really, really important. This is the DermAppeal, the thermoenzymatic microdermabrasion treatment. You're going to apply right to wet skin, massage it around like a scrub, take your time with it, and then splash it off. The first time you use it, skin like glass, and hydration. This moisturizer is more than moisture. This moisturizer is clinically proven to restore barrier function for optimal hydration levels for 72 hours after one application, plus firm, make the skin more luminous, improve elasticity, and help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Basically, these are the ABCs to exquisite skin.